Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you a just 3-minute workout with some great exercises that you can do at home to lose weight and trim down your body fat. Spare just 3 minutes from your busy life to get healthy, fit, and smart. Exercise 1. Place your hands on the seat of the chair to support you and stretch your legs behind you. Bend each of your legs one by one and bring your knees towards your tummy. This exercise will strengthen your calf and thigh muscles, your arms and shoulders, and trim down your tummy. Do this exercise in sets of 10 with 3 sets each. Exercise 2. Bend down and support your body with your hands on the ground. Put your legs on the seat of the chair and start doing push-ups. This is a great exercise for your entire body. It will trim your tummy, arms, and legs and strengthen the muscles. Exercise 3. Lie down on your back with your hands on the ground to the sides of your body. Bend your legs from knees and put your feet up on the seat of the chair. Start lifting your back and hips above the ground while keeping your head and shoulders on the ground. Then bring them back down to the ground. This will trim down your tummy and thighs and strengthen your shoulders and arms. Do this exercise in sets of 10 with 3 sets each. Exercise 4. Sit on the chair sideways like this. Hold the chair with both hands and start bending your knees and bringing them up toward your chest, and bring your upper body closer to your knees. Then stretch the legs out again and do this exercise in sets of 10 with 3 sets each. This exercise will tone down your legs and trim your tummy. Exercise 5. Sit down on the chair with your legs apart like this and raise both your hands up. Then bend your back and bring down your left hand and touch your right foot and back up. Then bring your right hand down and touch your left foot and then back up. Do not move your feet and legs during this exercise. This will strengthen your calf muscles and back, and it will trim your tummy. Do this exercise in sets of 10 with 3 sets each. Exercise 6. Sit on the chair and start intending your left hand as if punching someone. Bring your right foot in towards your hand and then do the same with the other hand. Do this exercise in sets of 10 with 3 sets each. This exercise will strengthen and tone down your thighs and ab muscles and trim your tummy. Exercise 7. Sit on the chair and hold your hands like this on both of your sides. Bring your knee one by one up towards your chest and then back to the ground. It will look like as if you're cycling while being seated on the chair. This exercise will tone down your abs and thighs and trim down your tummy. Exercise 8. Sit on the chair with both of your hands fully raised above your body and your feet touching the ground. Bring your left arm down and raise your right leg up and touch your foot. Do the same with your right arm and left leg. Do this exercise in sets of 10 with 3 sets each. This exercise will stretch your shoulders and back muscles. It will also tone and stretch your leg muscles and flatten your tummy. I hope you liked my video. Add these exercises to your daily routine and do them regularly. Comment to let us know if you have started these exercises and to give us feedback. Share it with your friends. I will see you in my next video. Bye!